A well-known rapper killed in a shooting in downtown Houston.
So a representative for TAKEOFF, a member of the rap group Migos, confirming the news. So Shelby Rose has been live on this story all morning here with what happened at this bowling alley overnight. There are multiple pieces to this story.
Hey, yeah, there's a lot of information flowing, especially on social media, a lot of rumors going around. But right now, Houston police tells us that they don't really have a lot to go off that is confirmed at this moment. It has been a few hours since we've gotten the latest update from them, but we're still here waiting to see if we can get any information. I'm going to give you guys kind of a picture of where this crime happened. On the third floor, we're at Green Street in downtown. The third floor up there is 810 Billiards and Bowling. There was a private event, we're told by the Houston Police Department, there last night, as well as TAKEOFF, another member of the group Migos. Quavo, his uncle, actually was there as well. We're told this private party ended about 1 o'clock in the morning, but there's about a group about 40 to 50 people that stayed until 2:30, and that's when the shooting happened. We don't know what exactly led up to this shooting, if there was any argument or anything that happened beforehand, but we do know that when police arrived, they did find TAKEOFF dead from a single gunshot wound, either to the head or neck. Two other people were also transported to a hospital where they're currently in surgery. We don't really know any updated information on that, but as far as who did this and who is responsible for the murder of TAKEOFF, Houston police doesn't have any idea, and so they're pleading for the public's help.
We'll take all information, interview you in person or over the phone. But yes, please come out because if this does turn out to be a high-profile case, we want to make sure that justice is found for the people involved, not just the person who was shot, but everyone else who's at the hospital right now.
And ways you can do that is anonymously, either through the HPD homicide unit or Crime Stoppers. So please just give them a call if you do have any information. And of course, once we have any updated info to bring you guys, we will certainly do that as well. Reporting live in downtown Houston, Shelby Rose, Fox 26 News.